Video, I'm going to be doing passion twist. I'm going to be taking you guys on the journey with me. And right now, I'm about to wash my hair. So, I haven't bleached my hair since 2018. That's so crazy to say. Wow. Well, today is the day. I don't have a heat protectant because I don't need one because I never blow dry my hair. So hopefully my hair doesn't disintegrate and the curl pattern just disappears. So once I gone, once I parted, let's go ahead and part. Bruh, chill.
Six and a half hours later.
So, I have no idea how in the world so I walked my dog and I ate. This is what my hair looks like now. I think it frizzed since last time because it didn't feel like this. But I put some oil in it.
That nigga's tripping.
And now we're gonna part my hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the front. Yes, the front. Yeah, the front. I'm gonna do the front in boxes, and I'm gonna do the bizac in circles. Not circles, but like curved parts, like a little. But when I do my own hair, honey, I can only do ear to ear because going around the way on myself is like asking for suicidal thoughts. Okay, you see? Only this will be in boxes and the rest is. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to, since it's gonna be in curvy thingies, I don't have perfect lines or whatever. So I'm gonna box off the back. So I'm gonna just twist it. I was determined to get a better angle. And I have this thing on top of this paper towel roll. And I have this thing holding a candle on top and my phone is on top. So you're gonna pray right now that this does not tip over. Because if it does, I'm dead. So, we're going to do the fronts. I'm gonna get, because the puffball was a little too close to the part, so that was gonna be a problem. Look at your conversation. Okay, so now, okay, make the part. Okay, my part's still there. We're gonna start. So I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna go forward. And we're gonna split her in two. So from here, I just kept parting. And if you want to know my braiding pattern, I will put a picture somewhere at the end of the video so you can see how I did my hair. This is how much I didn't use on both sides, which is about the same. So that's good. And it's like, nah, but what we finna do? What you gonna do with a big fat butt? Bigger, bigger, bigger. So we're going to do a U part, which I don't know how to do, so we're gonna try to attempt it. I finally got the little U thingy together. I'm sick of this, okay? We're gonna part it the rest of it because it's gonna take forever and I don't know how to store it, so. Yeah, I have a part to give me more stamina. Oh! So, I am back. And so far, last night, I can't breathe! Okay, I did her, and I did it like this. Like, I did it, like, really on my, I did like this, really, I think I hold it like this. So,
What?
what I did was, I didn't braid it first. I twisted it. Yes, yeah, honey. I twisted it a little bit, like rolled it, and I rolled as I twist, right? But the thing is, honey, I can't do that like this. Yeah, basically, I can't do it. So, what I'm gonna do is I am going to only do the little thing like this on my outsides, and then like I'm gonna do it on my whole entire front head, and I'm gonna do it on the outside, like not these, just these, and then I'm going to do it on like these ones right here, so you can see it on the outside. But on the inside, honey, we're braiding because this is what I call not it. First on these rookies, we're going to take my Let's Jam, which doesn't really work that well, but we have to use it because this is all I have. And I have this other one, but I'm only gonna use that on the front of my head because the front is more important than the busy. We put some jam on her, and we're gonna split her into two. Now we're going to take one like this, and I'm going to add one to the thing. So add one here, add one to the middle, like have your hair just in the middle, and then add a piece to another. So you should have your hair connected to a piece of hair, and then your hair just out. I don't know how to explain it, but like braid it, but not like where all your hair is just in the middle, because then it'll be able to slide out. So add hair to one of these things, and then have another piece of your hair by itself. I'm gonna start to twist. I'm gonna use this. I don't have a lot of neither of these. Like, look, I'm running out on both of my good ones. So I'm gonna use the good ones right now because I'm sick of that jam. This is my whole back row. And you see how when I use, like, this is 2, this is 2, and these are 1. And when I, like, put them together, they don't look like they're, like, abnormal. It looks like some of them are just curls and some of them are just twists. I'm going to do these off camera, and I'm going to come back when I'm in the front. I finished the back of my head. It is now like 5:36 o'clock, one of those numbers. Let me see. This is the back of my head, as you can tell. So we have it right here, and separate what I want my baby hairs to be and what I don't. So I'm gonna do that in the ends. My edges are right there, and this is my parts. Now that it's in the 2 parts and it's like that, I'm using this, by the way. It actually lasted me the whole way, and I'm so happy. But now you're going to separate from the ends and just keep going until the whole entire thing looks like this. eventually it should look like this, all bouncy. So now you're gonna put it under. I'm trying to do it to where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, under the hair. You're going to hold it like that, and you're going to just twist this side like this till it's tight to your root, like that, right? And then twist them, and then do that same motion while holding the other side, because you don't want that to unravel. And then as you twist, keep twisting the hair. So you go like, you wrap it on your finger. Like, I'm gonna put this in slow motion. So you're kind of going like this as you twist down, because that makes it tighter. And as you see, I pulled out my edges so this wouldn't be yanking my edges out, because that would be so sad.
6.5 hours later.
Wait, renegade, go. Okay, so I finished. Finally. This is how long it is. You see that? Yes. I don't know, so I've basically used about 13 packs of hair, and it cost me about $50 to $60. I'm gonna get some mousse. Her right here, yes. And this beautiful young lady. And honey. Shake, that's all. Shake. Gonna put her over top. Put it all over the hair. Take the oil. Okay. I'll put oil on my scalp because that's important. The mousse already dried, but tying it down is a need within itself. So I'm gonna tie it down for a good 5 minutes. Okay, this is her first, well, it's not my first time, it's my second time, but it's my first time doing it without rubber bands. Went into my edges really quickly. And if you want an edges tutorial, let me know, because I don't usually do my edges on camera. I was pulling it up. He was pulling it up. Okay, you guys. I'm doing, I laid my edges. Was waiting for our edge tamer and toothbrush because that's on period. I am done. I'm moving the camera, not my face. I'm done. This is my hair. You like me? Because I like it. I love it, actually. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, post notifications. I'm going to start a schedule for when I post, because I don't post on a schedule. I post every week, kind of, not really. I post like randomly, so I don't have a schedule that I can like look forward to. But oh, she posted today at this time. I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna make one of those so y'all can know when I post. But until further notice, look out for the next video. I love you guys. Make sure you follow me on my socials at @MyKaylee and on my Snapchat at DivaModel04. I want to make it look so bad because that name is so ugly. Just saying. It's okay. Yep. I'll see you in my next video.